Hello dear students, welcome to Chemistry Lab. Today we are going to determine the strength and mass per liter of given nitric acid solution which can be titrated against standard potassium hydroxide solution containing 5.6 gram of KOH per liter. First step is washing of the glass apparatus with water. In the next step, make up the we have to wash every glass apparatus into a 100 ml standard flask. After transferring the given solution into the standard flask, wash the given bottle with water. Wash the glass rod. Wash the funnel and the tip of the funnel with water. After washing glass rod and funnel, fill the standard flask up to the 100 ml mark. Shake the standard flask. Next step is filling the burette with nitric acid. Before filling the burette, make sure that the burette is rinsed well with given nitric acid solution. Fill the burette till the solution reaches the 0 mark in the burette. In the next step, the given solution in the standard flask is used to rinse the pipette. Rinse the pipette 2 times with the given solution in the standard flask. From the standard flask, the solution is transferred to a conical flask using the 20 ml pipette. Add 1 or 2 drops of the indicator into the conical flask. Titrate the solution in the conical flask against the HNO3 solution taken in the burette. Endpoint is the disappearance of pink color in the conical flask. Mark the burette reading carefully. Repeat the titration to get concordant values. For the estimation of HNO3, the aim of the experiment is to determine the strength and mass per liter of given nitric acid solution by titrating against standard solution of KOH containing 5.6 grams of KOH per liter. When nitric acid HNO3 reacts with potassium hydroxide, it gives KNO3 potassium nitrate plus H2O. The equivalent weight of KOH is same as its molecular weight, that is equal to 56. In the observation part, we are noting 3 burette readings to get the concordant value. From the concordant value obtained, we noted that the volume of HNO3 required is 18.8. So the next step is calculation. The weight per liter of KOH is equal to is equal to 5.6 gram. Equivalent weight of KOH. Equivalent weight of KOH is equal to 56. So the next step is normality of KOH. Normality of KOH that can be designated as N1. It is equal to weight per liter divided by equivalent weight. Equivalent weight. That is equal to 5.6 divided by 56. That is equal to 0.1 normal. So the next step is volume of KOH solution. Volume of KOH that can be designated as V1. It is equal to 20 ml. According to the normality equation, N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. In the next step, we are going to find out the normality of nitric acid solution. Normality of HNO3 solution that can be denoted with the letter N2 is equal to volume of KOH V1 into normality of KOH N1 divided by volume of HNO3 V2. In the next step, we are substituting the values in the equation. This is equal to volume of KOH is 20 ml into normality of KOH. It is equal to 0.1 normal divided by volume of HNO3, which is the concordant value obtained, that is 18.8. After calculation, we will get the value as 0.106 normal. Therefore, normality of nitric acid solution, HNO3 solution, is equal to 0.106 normal. Next step is equivalent weight of nitric acid. Equivalent weight of HNO3. That is equal to 63. Therefore, mass per liter of HNO3 is equal to normality of HNO3 into equivalent weight of HNO3. Normality of HNO3 into equivalent weight of HNO3. Is equal to 0.106 into 63. After calculation, we will get the value as 6.678 gram per liter. So the final result is normality of HNO3 solution, normality of nitric acid solution is equal to 0.106 normal. And the second result is mass per liter of HNO3 is equal to 6.678 gram per